Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. No long time no here. The thing is, I'm getting back into doing the day trading. I've been doing swing trading and all, but I got a couple people now that are interested in day trading again. And I like to be trading with someone else also with me looking at the market. Swing trading is good by yourself when you just see the market. You have your rules, you have your plan, and you just execute. Day trading is a little bit different. It's kind of like you have to pre-plan, have to have your tools all set. It's a little bit more involved, and sometimes it can run into real quick days, and sometimes it can run to a long day like today. I just got out of my trade. I was trying to get this recorded started before I did. The thing is, let me first of all let you know, trading is risky. You can and you will lose money at trading. So please check with your significant other. Please check with your financial provider or your financial assistant, help, whatever you may have to help you to see what your situation is, to see if trading is something actually suitable for you. Let's take a quick look at the chart. I want to just show you what was happening this morning. I hope the other guy, I don't like via text sometime. I don't like really talking to anyone when I'm trading. I just hope they're seeing the same thing that I see. I just brought up my chart. I'm just bringing up the main indicators or some of the couple of indicators that I look at when I'm trading. This one over here. I like looking at the trend and the tick. They're not as good as they used to be at one time, but they still help me keep me from jumping out of my trades too soon. I know you never had seen this before. I mean, you might have seen a glimpse of it before, but the tick, if it's high like this, it's bullish. It's a bullish market. The sentiment in the market is bullish, but it was dropping from that bullish state, coming down all the way down here. So the thing is, a lot of times when it's so bullish like this, it ends up being bearish. But also, you got to look at the trend. The trend was bearish. It was kind of like almost so bearish is bullish. So that's where it gets where I really don't like these indicators anymore. But they also help me if I'm also looking at my chart, and what I see on my chart, it kind of helps me decide, okay, if I do get in a trade, I'm going to stay in that trade. As long as it's working for me on the chart, is there anything else in the market that's telling me that whatever direction I decided to play, that's no longer working? This helps me stay in that. These other indicators help me stay in those trades. These other indicators help me get into those trades. Like this morning, let's take a quick look at that. Of course, I was bullish. I'm bullish. This morning, I was looking at this. My stochastic was down here. So again, I was looking to jump into this trade as soon as I can, and I did a couple trades. I'm gonna show you the virtual trade. I'm not showing you the live trade. A couple virtual trades and all, and then a couple of real trades and one virtual trade, and I'll show you the virtual trade here in a sec. I got in my virtual trade, somewhere down here. I just got out. It was going sideways like this, going crazy. I scalped the market a couple times with some real trades, doing some other stuff, and all while I was going in this range, deciding what it was going to do. But this indicator gave me to get in, back up. This indicator said, okay, it's okay to go long. This market should be going back up here to this area somewhere. But it ended up going up here and going sideways, and it took a while for me to actually make the money that I wanted to make on that one particular trade using options. That's the whole thing with options. But I want to take a look at that. So that got me into the trade. I was down here looking good on opening to get me long. Green candle up, based on my little basic rules, and we were also above this pivot here. We're going to always be above. Let me go over to NQ. I was in a range, and my squeeze on this thing right here was getting ready to go, and it ended up firing to the upside. So that was another reason right here. I was on this particular indicator that had me going long. Green candle had me going long, but my tick and my trend, go back to those. This right here started out bullish, so I was okay going long. So I'm just giving you all reasons why, not why, what I was looking at to go long. Right here was very bullish. That was the only thing I thought, is that too bullish to go long? But since I got 3 out of 4, to take me long. So that's why I ended up long. But it ended up all day long to get out of that trade. Now let me go to the option chain. Let me see if I can bring that up and show you exactly on the virtual trade what I actually traded. The other things were some scalps, and all that. Maybe I just bring that screen over here. I can't see. It's been a while. Even I guess it's been a while since I used this platform. This stuff here. So let me do it that way. Let me make sure I am still seeing that. And let me bring this over where I can see it. Do it that way. Boom. Up. Disappeared on me. Back here, I know. I can see it. Keep doing that. I don't know. Let me do it this way. Boom. Okay, this is the strike I ended up trading. I'll go. Let me go to. How I'm gonna do this? Let me go to monitor. Field orders. As you can see, it's only one field order here. Right at 9. The sell, I put, as always, I put my order in, you know, to buy. At that time right there, I decided to go ahead and buy. It was a 94. I got in at 97 cents. September the monthly, the closest monthly, you know, greater than 15 days. I like playing and all. I'm going to play this particular trade. It was a 94 call, got in at 97 cents. I didn't set my close until an hour afterwards. That market, like I said back on the chart, that market had been going sideways. So I didn't know if I was going to end up stop. I didn't want to stop my everything. I was looking at my indicators. All my indicators were saying stay long, stay long, stay long. Everything was still bullish to the long side. But I started doing some other things live, you know, scalping the market in that range. You know, when it would drop, I would buy, and it would go higher, I would sell, just scalping the market just to make some extra little money, just in case this didn't work out for me. And then at this time, at 10:41, an hour later, I ended up setting my sell order. I said, okay, this thing looks like it's ready to go. I was looking at my tick and my trend. They had kind of like both had got in unison, where they both were looking like they was ready to go bullish. And I said, okay, this thing can pop now. And I only want to try to just get my nickel, my 6 cents. That's all we really try to get on this trade. And it ended up working out. Go back to the chart, and you can look exactly at the times now. I got in this trade on this candle here. You know, it's when I actually got in the trade. Because, again, I was looking for it to pull back on this large, I call this a lot in my thing. This is a large candle. It was all the way at this area here. It would have to break through this area here before it actually went higher. So then I got in, and then I started seeing all this chop, not breaking above, and not really going down below, you know, this candle here. And also it was staying in its range, so I started scalping using future stuff and all. And then I just got out of this trade, you know, back here. So, and that's the way it goes sometimes. As you can see, I set my sell. Well, it got me out. 10:40 something. Let's go back and look at that trade. That's kind of funny here in this account. Execution time, 10:42. It got me out at 10:42. What time is it? Yep. So it didn't get me out. It should have got me out on that pop. I didn't set it. Yeah, it should have got me out on that pop, I thought. That's a 5 minute. Yeah, but it didn't get me out until this time right here. On this candle here. So I didn't have it set. I didn't set it until back here. I missed that. And then I set it. Well, I thought let me go. This kind of looks funny here. That's the thing about virtual things. Does it show me? No, it doesn't show me. It shows execution time. But that's it. I thought I had set it a little bit before then. I had set it before then. Yeah, let me go back, and it doesn't show me that. Let me show this. Yep, it doesn't show me. I had set it before that, and I thought it got me out on that pop, and that was it. But that's not important. The thing is the trade itself. Go back to it. The reasons, what I was seeing to actually get me into the trade, what kept me into the trade, and then what I actually made end up making the trade successful. That's it. That's all I want to share today. Again, this is Solomon from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Let me also go back up. We got a new thing going on here at Right Side. I know there's a few of you that do see this and ask me about it. I was kind of surprised. We got some software here. Let me apply, where you can actually see that screen. If it comes up, there it goes. We have some software here that helps you with your trading if you're an investor type trader. You know, based on what I'm seeing, I haven't looked at it enough to see if it will help any of your day traders and stuff. But if you're a long-term investor, short-term investor, swing type trading, this is some new software that we have that we're trying to promote out there and get out there to help you guys with your trading. If you're interested in this, just contact us at the Right Side Trading. You know, contact information should be here somewhere. I'll go back up here, back to the home. About us should be here. Oh. Email us at Right Side Trading, at info@rightsidetrading.com if you want more information about what's going on here. All right. Talk to you guys later. Let me get back in here and see if I want this thing is taken off. See if I want to do anything else or close another trade. Talk to you later. Bye.